Back to our little Red Imp. Here's an addition. If you want to add him on, they can add a little bit more. We've got him completed now. I've got a red 160 with about 4 inches uninflated on the end. We're going to give him a little tail. So what I'll do, make about 1.5 inch level, a little small tiny bubble, and make that a pinch twist. And you're going to make about a 2.5 inch bubble, a little small bubble on the end of that. Make that a pinch twist as well. We need another bubble the same size as that one, followed by another little bitty tiny pinch twist, and then one more bubble the same size as this one here. And now we need 2 little tiny pinch twists. Just like that. Then we're going to attach these together by twisting that tail end around there. And what we've given him is a little point on the end of his tail. Now you just figured how long you want his tail to be. Let's go about that long. You can make it as short or as long as you like. Pop off whatever you're not going to use. And then take the tail of that and twist it in on the back side of the back where his feet are. And then you just take his tail. I want it to come up a little bit behind him, and then I'm going to give it just a little bit of shaping here like that. Just turn it so it sticks out to the side. And there you go.